everyone, welcome to the Genie Green Card Immigration Success Program. If you are navigating the US immigration process, whether it's for an EB-1A, O-1A or EB-2 NIW visa, this program is designed to give you a comprehensive support, making the journey smoother and more effective. Let's take a closer look at what you get with this membership. First, it's crucial to understand that meeting the minimum 3 criteria for your visa application is not enough. To build a robust case, we help you target 5 to 7 criteria, but that's just the start. We ensure that your entire profile tells a compelling, cohesive story that aligns with USCIS expectations, showing the sustainability and long-term impact of your work on the US. Now, as a member, you will get unlimited one-on-one sessions with our expert mentor, Sahil. Whether you need advice, strategy discussions or detailed reviews, you will have direct access to personalized guidance whenever you need it. And yes, we also host weekly Q&A sessions, keeping you informed and addressing any questions or concerns you have along the way. And with monthly calls featuring both mentors and attorneys, you will stay updated on the latest USCIS trends, ensuring your petition aligns with the current standard and is not following outdated practices. Our vendor procurement service is another key feature. USCIS dislikes seeing the same paid media articles and awards repeatedly in applications. That's why we regularly source new vendors to keep your profile fresh and unique, enhancing your application's credibility. Now, we work with you to identify and highlight aspects of your profile that might seem small but can significantly strengthen your case. This attention to detail ensures that no stone is left unturned in building your application. And we also assist you with crucial aspects like publication support, drafting letters of appreciation and original contribution letters, and ensuring every document meets USCIS standards. Our writing masterclass will empower you to produce high-quality research papers without falling prey to overpriced services. Our program includes a dedicated project manager, client vendor sourcer, and Sahil as your mentor. This team ensures your case is handled with consistency and expertise, no passing off to other consultants. And yes, you will also gain access to a community of professionals with similar backgrounds, allowing you to collaborate, share research, and gain valuable insights from others on the same journey. And for those urgent moments, our 24/7 WhatsApp support group is always available. You will have immediate access to dedicated team whenever you need it. One of the biggest advantages of our program is the cost savings. Many services out there charge thousands of dollars for work that should only cost a fraction of that. For example, some PR submissions charge $1,000 for a service that's only worth $100. With our transparency, you can build a strong profile with just $3,000 in submission fees, significantly reducing the costs. All these elements, expert guidance, fresh vendor procurement, detailed profile enhancement, and cost efficiency, make our membership program not just valuable, but an investment that practically pays for itself. Well, that is it. If you are ready to take control of your immigration journey, join the Genie Green Card Immigration Success Program today. Let's build your strong, successful profile together.